How to type backward slash or forward slash using your keyboard. So I will just simply give you a tutorial using showing my own keyboard here. So what you can do is, how you can use the backward slash is, there is simply an option for backward slash which you have to use by using the shift and the backward slash option right there. You can see which is right in the left side of tail option. You can simply use it there, and we have the forward slash right there where we don't need to use any shift option. So we have to use our shift option in the backward slash option, and you have to constantly keep on clicking on your shift and the backward slash option in order to get the backward slash. And you can directly use your forward slash without using your shift, and that is how to type backward slash or forward slash using your keyboard.